You might feel tired all the time, have trouble sleeping, or struggle with muscle cramps. Maybe you get anxious easily or your heart occasionally skips a beat. The truth is, these symptoms could all point to one common root cause: magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals in your body. It's responsible for over 300 biochemical reactions, from helping your muscles contract to keeping your heart rhythm steady, and even supporting energy production in every cell. But despite its importance, studies show that up to 70% of adults aren't getting enough magnesium. It's so common that some experts now call it the invisible epidemic, and perhaps the most dangerous sign of all. An irregular heartbeat, a warning your body gives when it's running dangerously low on this essential mineral. In this video, we'll explore what magnesium deficiency really does to your body, how to recognize the symptoms, why it's so widespread today, and most importantly, how to fix it naturally. Why magnesium matters. Let's start with the basics. Magnesium is a mineral found in every cell of your body. It acts as a spark plug for life itself, helping your muscles relax, your nerves communicate, and your heart maintain a steady beat. Without enough magnesium, your body struggles to perform even simple tasks. Think of it like a car running low on oil. Everything still works, but not smoothly. Over time, that friction leads to wear and tear. Magnesium works closely with calcium and potassium to control muscle contractions. It also regulates your heartbeat by maintaining proper electrical signals in your heart. That's why when levels drop too low, you might feel heart palpitations, those sudden flutters or skipped beats that make your chest feel strange. The hidden symptoms. The challenge with magnesium deficiency is that it doesn't announce itself loudly at first. The symptoms are subtle, easy to overlook or blame on something else. Here are some of the most common early warning signs: muscle cramps and spasms, especially in your legs or feet. Fatigue and low energy, because magnesium is needed to produce ATP, your body's main energy molecule. Restlessness or insomnia, magnesium helps calm the nervous system, and without it, sleep becomes shallow and interrupted. Anxiety or mood swings, low magnesium increases stress hormones and makes you more reactive. Headaches and migraines, tight muscles and nerve sensitivity from deficiency often trigger these. Numbness or tingling, magnesium supports nerve function, so low levels can cause strange sensations. But one of the most concerning symptoms is an irregular heartbeat, also known as heart palpitations. Your heart depends on precise electrical activity to beat properly. When magnesium is low, those electrical signals can become unstable. The result? Your heart might suddenly race, slow down, or flutter. For many people, this becomes the red flag that finally gets their attention. Why so many people are deficient? If magnesium is so essential, why are so many people lacking it? There are several reasons, and most of them are connected to modern life. 1. Poor soil quality. Decades of industrial farming have stripped the soil of minerals. That means even fruits and vegetables contain less magnesium than they did 50 years ago. 2. Processed foods. Refined grains, sugars, and packaged meals are stripped of nutrients. The more processed your diet, the less magnesium you get. 3. Stress. Every time you're stressed, your body burns through magnesium faster. Chronic anxiety, long work hours, and emotional tension all deplete your reserves. 4. Caffeine and alcohol. Both act as diuretics, meaning they make your kidneys excrete magnesium in urine. Even moderate coffee or wine intake can gradually drain your levels. 5. Certain medications. Some antibiotics, blood pressure pills, and antacids interfere with magnesium absorption. 6. Age. As we get older, our digestive systems become less efficient at absorbing minerals, which means magnesium deficiency becomes more common with age. All of these factors add up, and before you know it, your body is running on empty. The dangers of ignoring magnesium deficiency: a mild deficiency might only cause muscle cramps or fatigue. But if left unaddressed, it can lead to serious problems. 1. Heart issues, irregular heartbeat, high blood pressure, and even an increased risk of heart disease. 2. Bone health. Magnesium helps your body absorb calcium properly. Without it, bones become weak and brittle. 3. Metabolic health. Low magnesium contributes to insulin resistance, making it harder to control blood sugar. 4. Mental health. Deficiency has been linked to anxiety, depression, and even panic attacks. Magnesium is literally the body's relaxation mineral. It keeps your muscles loose, your blood vessels flexible, and your nerves calm. When you don't have enough, everything tightens, physically and emotionally. How to know if you're deficient? Testing for magnesium isn't as simple as you might think. Most of the body's magnesium lives inside cells, not in the bloodstream. So even if a blood test says your levels are normal, you could still be deficient at the cellular level. That's why paying attention to symptoms is often the best clue. If you regularly experience cramps, poor sleep, anxiety, or heart palpitations, there's a good chance your body is asking for more magnesium. Some functional medicine practitioners use special tests like RBC magnesium tests, which give a more accurate picture of your magnesium status. But in most cases, the solution starts with your diet. Natural ways to restore magnesium. The best way to correct magnesium deficiency is through food and gentle supplementation. Magnesium-rich foods. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with magnesium. Seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are among the highest natural sources. Nuts, almonds, cashews, and Brazil nuts provide both magnesium and healthy fats. Whole grains, oats, quinoa, and brown rice. Dark chocolate, yes, real, high cocoa dark chocolate contains a surprising amount of magnesium. Avocados, bananas, and legumes, all great everyday options. Try building these into your meals naturally. For example, you could start your day with a spinach smoothie, snack on pumpkin seeds, and end dinner with a small piece of dark chocolate. Supplementation. If diet alone isn't enough, or if you're showing strong deficiency symptoms, supplements can help. There are several types of magnesium, and each serves different purposes. Magnesium glycinate, gentle on the stomach and great for relaxation and sleep. Magnesium citrate, good for digestion and mild constipation. Magnesium malate, supports energy and muscle recovery. Magnesium threonate, shown to support brain function and focus. For most people, magnesium glycinate is the best all-around choice. Take it in the evening, since it also promotes calm and better sleep. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting new supplements, especially if you take medications. Lifestyle habits that protect magnesium levels. Fixing deficiency isn't just about adding more, it's also about keeping what you have. Here are a few simple habits that make a big difference. Manage stress, try meditation, yoga, or breathing exercises. The calmer you are, the less magnesium your body burns. Cut back on caffeine and alcohol. Even small reductions help your body hold on to more magnesium. Eat real, whole foods, ditch processed snacks and sugary drinks that drain your minerals. Stay hydrated. Magnesium works hand in hand with water to regulate cellular energy and muscle function. A quick recap: magnesium deficiency truly is an invisible epidemic. It's hidden in plain sight, showing up as stress, fatigue, poor sleep, or irregular heartbeat. But the solution is simple and natural. Eat magnesium-rich foods daily. Manage your stress. Stay hydrated. Consider gentle supplementation if needed. Your heart, muscles, and mind all depend on this one mineral to function properly. Don't wait until your body sends you urgent warning signs. Start today, 1 handful of leafy greens, 1 square of dark chocolate, 1 calmer evening at a time. Because your body doesn't need another quick fix, it needs nourishment, consistency, and care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more natural health and wellness insights every week. Here's to your health, from the inside out.